Intelligent transformation begins with you. While the end goals of optimized performance and a sustainable future are the same, each journey toward smart manufacturing begins with the unique reality of the production line. When you don't know where to begin, our experts can help you define and design digital transformation actions that will improve process visibility, asset efficiency, and production line performance. And when you're facing existing challenges like improving internal logistics or coordinating data sources and legacy systems, we're prepared with configurable, flexible solutions made to fit your need. Our operational technology service management is designed to ensure live performance remains at expected levels by offering remote specialist observation, technicians for on-site field service, and more, all to ensure process sustainability. And our self-service tools are ready to help you accelerate internal projects and access Industry 4.0 benefits as soon as they're implemented. With Stefanini's Smart Manufacturing Solution, the next generation of flexible connected technology is at your fingertips. Unlock your digital potential with intelligent transformation.